Ever seen a denture ad that makes you wonder, did these teeth grow in a TikTok filter factory? Today we're talking about Pinbaodr Medical Grade Dentures, the product that claims to give you a perfect smile without ever seeing a dentist. Stick around because by the end I'll tell you whether this thing actually works or if your wallet gets ghosted harder than your last ex. Alright, I did some deep digging on this, like 2 cups of coffee and scrolling Reddit deep. And guess what? There's no credible proof these dentures are legit. In fact, multiple independent scam watch communities have flagged this exact product and other ones like it as a potential scam rather than a real dental solution. Here's the deal. Real dentures are medical devices. They're custom made using precise molds from a dentist, not random measurements you upload online. Real ones are made in dental labs, often with acrylic resin or high-grade materials checked for safety. But products like Pinbaodr, they skip the dentist part entirely. That's a big red flag like ketchup on cereal big. Another thing I noticed, the websites selling these dentures use pressure tactics, flash sales, countdown timers, and heroic thousands sold banners. That's classic impulse buy strategy seen in scammy offers, not medical devices backed by professionals. Listen, I get it. You see an ad with smiling models and think, maybe this will save me a dentist trip, but let's be real, no credible dentist or dental board is behind these instant fit dentures, and there aren't verified clinical studies saying this is safe. Without that, you're basically wearing a glorified rubber toy. Not cool for your gums or your jaw. Even dental pros warn DIY dentures sold online can be dangerous because poorly fitting dentures can harm your gums, hurt your bite, and cause irritation, and that's before we even talk about materials that might not be medically safe. So Pinbaodr Medical Grade Dentures legit? Based on what reliable sources say, not really. It's more like a marketing mirage than a trustworthy dental product. Your mouth deserves better than a guessing game. If you're thinking real dentures, talk to a licensed dentist. It's safer, honest, and actually designed for your mouth. If you learned something new today, smash that like button like it's biting into a crunchy apple. And don't forget to subscribe for more real talk reviews. Catch you in the next one. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.